Listening to me and listening to me attentively. Your makeup products are not bad. Your technique is hell. I'm sorry for shouting. So if you want to learn how to do your clean makeup and oble for this December, right? Stay till the end of this video because you have a whole lot to learn in this full tutorial. How to get your makeup done in the right way, right? Watch this video till the end. Let's go. So before we get into this video, I would love to do some product review. So let's unbox some of the products I'll be using for this makeup. I actually acquired them newly, right? Yes, and this is Blossom Moist Essence. Is a moisturizer, and this is a beauty blender. Okay, it's actually a new beauty blender, LA Queen beauty blender. This beauty blender is very soft. It's so soft. It's not actually my first time of using it. I've used it before and I had to like get another one because this beauty blender is so nice, so soft. Let me show you. See it here. And this is the one that is already soaked. See, I don't know if you can see the difference, right? This one I've not soaked it yet, and it comes in two shades. This brown, or you like call it nude or brown, and a black color. Very nice. Classic. Stay matte Rimmel. And I also got the almighty So Pro Cosmetic. I got their highlighter, Lola. Here is it, Lola. I'll be working with this as well. Beauty setting powder in the shade Caramel. I'll be working with this too. And V Beauty foundation. Guys, I'll also be working with this. You're saying that I should involve you, but if I say let's go out now, you don't even know how to do your makeup. Fine, babe. But don't worry, I'll be teaching you how to create a sweet.
Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm going to start off by just cleaning my face with a beauty wipe. Then I proceeded with my micellar water to remove excess dirt and oil on the face. First thing that I will always recommend you should do is to moisturize your face regardless of your skin type. I have oily, acne prone skin, and hydration is a must for me. This is a good one because it will always give whatsoever that I'm actually going to put on my face a good base to work on. This is a moisturizer from Blossom. You can actually use anyone that works for you. Oily skin, dry skin, combination skin, make sure you moisturize. And one thing you should know is that when you moisturize, your makeup will look 10 times better. Next, serum. This is actually optional. Another step that is non-negotiable is priming, and I'll be using 2 primer because I want my makeup to last longer. I'll be using a Rimmel Stay Matte and Classic. This is so extremely important for someone with my skin type. Next is to massage the primer and massage the whole face. And next I'll be going in with a sweat block from V Beauty. I'll be using a cotton pad to apply this on my T-zone. Then moisturize my lips and move straight into foundation. Set the whole face, and next is foundation application. Next, I'll be blending my foundation with this soft beauty blender from LA Queen Cosmetics. It's a must-have for every makeup artist. This beauty blender is very soft and the texture is everything for me. I'll be using V Beauty foundation, and if you can see, this foundation has lots of coverage and it's very nice. It's giving skin. One thing you should know about foundation: while applying your foundation, try as much as possible not to drag the foundation. Allow your beauty blender to bounce on your skin, and that way you will get a flawless finish. For blush, I'll be using a powdered blush, and I like applying it on the upper cheekbone, and after which I'll be contouring my whole face. I'll also be doing a powder contour because I don't really have strength for liquid contouring. next thing that we are going to move into now is placement of concealer. We'll be using a concealer that is 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, and I'll be using Avo.
Watch and see how I'll be blending out this concealer seamlessly. Okay, we'll be using this side, another side of the beauty blender. That's what we're going in with. Here, this tip. We've already used here for foundation, so we'll be flipping over. We'll be turning over to the other side for the blending out. Then the liquor. Okay, let's start here.
This is a Nigerian brand, and I will be blending it out with my beauty sponge from LA Queen Cosmetics. Is a Nigerian as well. Try and apply these concealers on the area you're seeing me applying them. With the right placement, you will get a good coverage. I love using a damp beauty sponge to blend out my concealer, to blend out the under eye. If you like using brush, that's fine. Always try as much as possible to blend your concealer upwards so that your face will be lifted. After blending your concealer, flip the other side of your beauty sponge and blend out harsh lines so that your makeup will look seamless.
So we'll be contouring our nose, right? And we'll be forming a V illusion, V, from the beginning of the eyebrow to the tip of the nose. So, right.
The next thing would be for me to go in with a concealer that is 2 shades or even more lighter than the previous concealer I applied underneath my eye. 4 to 5 shades lighter. This would give my under eye a very nice lift and also snatch that area to get rid of any shadows or any hollows I have in there. To make sure that your makeup is elevated is to set and bake your under eye properly, and I'll be using NEPA Beauty in the shade Caramel to set my under eye. It's a Nigerian brand. I'll be using a puff to set my under eye, and before setting your under eyes, if you don't want your makeup to crease, I'll first use a beauty blender to blend the under eye before going in with a setting powder. After setting the whole face, I will be going back again with my powder blush and bronzer. I use a darker bronzer for my temple and underneath my cheekbone because I like it well defined. At this time, Nigerian happened to me. They took the light and I was literally confused on where to start from. I later decided to use the natural light, but it wasn't really giving me that clarity I wanted. So like I'm actually using the natural light to film the stage, so you all should bear with me, okay? If you learn everything when it comes to this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment and subscribe. Do well and subscribe if you've not yet subscribed. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye. Merry Christmas.